Hello friends, welcome to Microsoft Access 2007. In this tutorial, we will be getting started with Microsoft Access. There are three main features that you should remember as you work within Microsoft Access. First is Microsoft Office button. It is in the most left corner of the window. Microsoft Office button performs many features that are located in a file menu that allows you to create a new database, to open an existing database, save as, print, manage, email, publish and close database. Second important feature is ribbon. Ribbon is the panel at the top portion of the window. It has 4 tabs: Home, Create, External Data and Database Tools. You can see that each tab has been divided into groups. Commonly utilized features are displayed on the ribbon, but you can see more features that can be shown at the right corner of the group. When you click on that arrow, you will find the more features. Third important feature is Quick Access Toolbar, which is available in the top portion of the window. It is a customizable toolbar that contains commands. You can show Quick Access Toolbar below the ribbon or above the ribbon. You can change the location of Quick Access Toolbar with this option. Next is Navigation Pane. It displays the database objectives such as tables, forms, reports and queries. Next is tabbed document window viewing. It opens tables, reports, forms and queries. This was the introduction about Microsoft Access 2007. Thank you.